Ha ka jingelang ba ipo iping, Myntri Rangbah kondat ke Sangma ula Plie ba ya kasan Pyrkhat Bathymmai na kabenta ka Khuborjylla ba de ki ba ka jela baro kawai ha ka jingedan lang ki riu shampang na ki jeli tre kam ba pher ki ba kentup ya ki no penyat hospital ki Rangbah Snong ki tna tre kam ka Khuborjylla bat na ki seng 3 months ngobha ban Kyntiew ya ka koi ka khia bat ka imlang salang ya kani kasan Pyrkhat Bathymmai bala kerteng mission 1000 days ka mission ka ba 1000 Sngi nadu bala Sngi Khullung ha ka Khubor ka Kmie hadu ba inadap arsnam karta ka jingtmu ba kongsan jokani ka mission 1000 Sngi ka long ban penlong ya ki briu ka Meghalaya ki ba kot makia khamtam ki Kmie bat ki Khullung ki ba kinyo ki lat jing sumar ba paka ka bam ka sa ka bate ya ka long renyeng bat ya ka bor jabing jong ki Khullung ki ba lat na kinu ki jingpang ki bate ya ka met ka phat bat ka jing he jing san jong ki dakani ka mission 1000 Sngi ka sarkar Meghalaya kala raikut ban sedang no ya ka nadu ka shitarik ya yong 1000 alpun riu ha ka baki trak trekam ka sarkar ki ba kenthop ya ka social welfare ka kot ka khia PHE agriculture ki Rangbah bat baro lang ki wei pat ki tnak trekam kin kener lang ya laki kiti ban penur long ya kani ka mission knang ba ka jela kan yo ya ki long din ki ba kot ba khia ki ba dap kernyeng kernyot kan thei bat shenrang kawai pat ka jing thumu ka sarkar da kani ka mission kalong ban weng mardor ya ka jing tan jing lingkot ka renyeng ka jing duna ka bor Pyrkhat na ka jing duna ka bam ka sa khamtam lele ka jing duna na ka jing aibun ki Kmie ya ki Khullung badang kha ka sarkar da kani ka mission 1000 Sngi kan ther borba ki jing kersha na ki hospital ki anganwadi center ba ki kenhun 3 months ngobha ban poish ka thong jong kani ka mission lakan tu ya ki Kmie ki badang ai bun ya laki khun ban ai sebun ya ka dut Kmie namar ka jing he jing san ka met bat ka jabing jong ki khun ka shong ha ka bor bat ka khli jong ka dut jong ka Kmie Myntri Rangbah ula pan pau ya ka jing par nyang khriat ha ka jing mut jing Pyrkhat ha ba ula yo sngo ya ki Khubor baki khna ki badang san snam kartaru ki la yo ya ka jing pang shini diabetes bat ki jing pang ha ki do jam ha ka met jong ki ula khot ya baro ki pat ba ka Meghalaya ban kener ki jingerap ban snok ti ban pen urlong ya ka mission 1000 Sngi nadu ba dang Sngi Khullung ha ka Khubor ka Kmie hadu ba indadap arsnam kan long ka ba job ula pen pau ka jing kermen ba ki wei pat ki jela kari India bat kiri jong ka perthei hi kin bud ya kani ka nuksa na Meghalaya.
Thank you. Please be seated. As a symbol of the state commitment to supporting mothers and their newborn, the Honorable Chief Minister will now...
This is what we call Mission 10. And I think all of you must have heard about this, and I think a lot of people have criticized also, some people have understood. This is the roadmap that we have laid down for Meghalaya. Of course, it started with the $10 billion economy because we were at 4.4 billion when I took over as Chief Minister in 2018. Today, we are almost touching $7 billion. And we are very, very hopeful that we'll be able to touch 10 billion. We have a target of 16 billion by 2032, and we have $150 billion economy by 2047. So that's a roadmap we have laid, but this is till 2032. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because a lot of people need to understand what we're trying to do. While economic growth is important for us, while this number of GDP or GSDP of 10 is very important for us, it does not speak about the overall growth story that we are trying to talk. And therefore, while a secretariat is important for us, it's an infrastructural growth, it's a growth of a new city, a new hub that comes up. While different festivals are important for us because it promotes tourism, it creates jobs, it promotes this concert economy, which has got multiplier effect in terms of economics. We're ensuring that we have different stadiums being made for sports activities to happen, where it's important for us to construct large roads and a huge network so that people have accessibility to education, to healthcare, to all different aspects. While we do all of these things, economic investment and growth must be balanced. And that is the key to ensuring that we have a healthy and a sustainable economy in the long run. And therefore, if you look at the commitments that we have, in the commitments, there is one commitment that talks about nutrition and early childhood development. So what we're doing here today is not just something that we just thought of doing. It is part of the bigger plan. It's part of the bigger picture. All the 10 opportunities on top are areas which we strongly feel that we can unlock unlimited potential out of this and create the kind of jobs, create the kind of economic, the momentum we require, create the kind of infrastructure that is required, build up the entrepreneurship ecosystem, so on and so forth. But while we do that, is that enough? It's not. It's not enough. And that is the reason why we need to ensure that there are commitments that we give. That while we do all of this, we will take care of our environment. While we do all of this, we will take care of our children, our mothers. We will take care of the elderly. While we do all of these things, we will ensure that drinking water, power, network, all of these facilities will be available at the grassroots level. Better efficiency in governance will happen. So all of this will be part of the larger Mission 10 of our government. And that is why we are here today. Our economic growth will mean nothing if we are not able to save mothers' lives. All the large infrastructures we create is going to mean nothing if you're not able to provide healthy environment for our young children. If you're not able to take care of their nutrition, if you're not able to make sure that we are able to eradicate stunting and malnutrition, SAM and MAM children from our system. And that is why we are here today. To be able to achieve that goal that we have already set. This is something we did almost 4 years back. And we've been working on this. I'm announcing this today. Doesn't mean that we have just planned it today. Dr. Rupali and others have been here, Dr. Rupal and others have been here for almost a year now. Before that also, many areas have been worked out. But we feel we are finally ready to be able to move forward and launch this particular program. Having said that, another aspect, if you remember, in 2023, in my budget, I had shared with all of you that while economic growth is important for us, it is important to create a happy society. Now, what is happiness? It's always a big question mark, and I really don't have an answer to it. But all I can say is that the overall environment that we provide, where society can be together, where needs and wants will be unlimited, but a level of satisfaction to know that yes, we are blessed to be able to have this, and can we nurture this? Can we be happy with this? Can we ensure that negativity reduces in our society? So on and so forth. I feel these are the small things that we need to do. So while we do all of this in the Anganwadi centers, let me share with you that our target is to make the Anganwadi centers what we call happiness centers. We don't want Anganwadi centers to be just places where children will be there. I hope that we will create a happy learning center for elders also in the same campus. And in the same campus, we'll be having games and physical exercise and nutrition for our elders and for our children. And we will actually have an environment where the elders will then see the young children, play with them, read them stories, have that interaction which I was telling you about how a father should do. Well, a lot of our senior citizens are there. They can help us in this entire process if we are able to provide that ecosystem in terms of having the Anganwadi centers become into what we call active learning centers come happiness center. So these are that we'll be able to create. Last point, which I want to share with you, which is again of very great importance to me, is the fact that we're starting with just children. We're talking about children. I think Dr. Rupal had mentioned about the fact that we have, I don't know the technical term for it, but we have children having early diabetes now. And this is something that, of course, we all need to be concerned and worried about. But I think all of you also know that a large number of renal failure that's happening, the kidney failure that we are seeing, a large part has to do with actually sugar and diabetes. And it is all about lifestyle diseases. So while we think of so many other things, I'm so sorry, I don't mean to be against any companies or any, juice companies or biscuit companies, but we need to remember that every snack we have, every biscuit we have, every glass of juice we drink, which we think is great for us, has that impact that we are having on our body. And realizing this, we also need to realize that knowing what to eat, when to eat, and how to eat is also equally important. So therefore, these kind of things of ensuring that the correct food habits come into our system, not just for children, but for all of our society, I think is something that is very, very important to us. So I hope that I'll be able to link all of these things to create a much more healthier society.
Next is Ivy Lynn, House Area. Next is Achilia, thank you. Next is Genet Khamopang. Next is Paulina Momin. Next, Vita Lingo. Followed by Pinky Suting. Evangeline's Aim. And Carolyn, please stand here for a group photograph. Kindly stand here. I request the official to kindly assist the mothers to
As they
kindly.
go along, please in the box there.
This side, some of them can come this side.
Kindly come for the group photograph. You can keep the box, it's okay.
As you can just keep the box. We just have a group photo like this.
So the mother and baby kit is an initiative under the Honorable Chief Minister. It will be given to all pregnant mothers. It have basic kit for mothers and for their babies. I request dignitaries to continue to stand on the floor. Next, kindly come forward. Next is SS Khong Liam, Rangbah Shnong Molai Movie. Ai Tei Lang Thao, Rangbah Shnong Nong Pure, New Shai Kvim, Sardar Mopreng, Thiang Ar Maubo, Rangbah Shnong Lai Mukha, Dennis R. Lingra, Rangbah Shnong Nonga, Reuter Robson L. Monai, Rangbah Shnong Motionrut, Bitista Rani, Rangbah Shnong Mairang Mission, Dipsyang Mabanyang, Rangbah Shnong Moyong Rim, and Khubor Rinja, Rangbah Shnong, Lait Maulong, Lait Ingpa. Request all the headmen to kindly stand so that we can have a group photograph. So we'll have a group photograph so that we can come here.
I'll just be here. In the middle.
Very. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
So we have one more ceremony.
Okay.
Thank you, Ram Vaishnavs. 2024. The primary objective of the policy is to build a robust healthcare ecosystem within the state, minimizing the need for citizens to seek treatment outside Meghalaya. A financial assistance was given to private entities, trusts, mission, NGOs, and public-private partnership In 2005, the following institution reserved the first installment of 1 crore each out of the sanction of 2 crores. That is Nazareth Hospital, Shillong, Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital, Shillong, Tura Christian Hospital, Tura, Holy Cross Hospital, Tura, Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital, Jawai. Now further assistance under the bursary will be extended to the following healthcare facility. I now request the representative from Sacred Heart Health, Ria John, to come and receive the sanction that will be presented by under the health department. Sister Ria John. Sister Ria John, if you can continue to stay there, you have another check to be issued to you for an amount of 59,46,733 for Khuborkhasi, West Gava Hills District. I now invite Sister Jeannie John from St. Matthew Health Center, West Gava Hills District. She will be provided a check for rupees 56,68,125. Next, I would like to invite Sister Felicita Sinkli from St. Mary's Health Center, Mansang East Gava Hills District. She will be provided a check of 48,55,780. I now again invite Sister Jeannie John from St. Joseph Health Center for Deku, South Gava Hills District. She will be provided a check of rupees 37,87,550. Next, I invite Dr. Sandy Sim, Managing Trustee, Mr. Darrell F. War, Trustee, Dr. L. Sadia, Administrator from Sankya Charitable Trust, Shillong East Khasinews. She will be provided a check of 1 crore. Next, I invite Sister Noverine, Administrator Nazareth Hospital Society, Shillong East Khasinews. They'll also be provided second installment of an additional 1 crore. Next, I invite the representative from Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital, Dr. Kenneth R. L. Nongpure, Medical Superintendent, Dr. Meban Aibor Kharkongor, Head of Department General Medicine, for the second installment of rupees 1 crore. Thank you very much. Dignitaries may resume the seat.
What's the date?
Doctor, come, Dr. Sandra. Come.
Just sign it.
Anywhere, huh? Anywhere. This is because we will review
Sibut kong meri pikuli yang ka jeng tu konsan dengan ka program ka si hajar Sngi program bu chief minister la play pe ba tak Sngi pi natrai jeng mud itliu jong chief minister kan kalong ban penlong the population ki pai bendring jo ka Meghalaya ki breu ki bakoj bakhia nado ka thammai jong kalong yeng long san hadu ki na khe da san bakin he kisan ka long bri bang marbelai na try kan dik mu jong chief minister ka long balada ka jerla ka don ki bri ki basiktom ki bapang ki bakoj bang kia klempet ka bor met ki ban trei ban ta ban trei ni ka jelaru hakisnem ki benangwan ginum la bete jerla ki kan sar tat ka sar randen try akaliang jeng trai cipta kalian ka jeng penmi ek jelaru lalu ki population dengi lada ki paiba dengi gilong ki bak pang ki bestong ki betlot ka bor gen kina penmi ani tekunta kani kadai ketenrai berkonsan dengan jeng tuin kalong bakani commission chejas ni jeng chief minister kalong ban thep jeng mut Pyrkhat jongi iwei nado Kmie pa nado pa nado Kmie nado ki kon Samla bangi dei ban simkhia ye kolong ye long sem simkhia tang ye Khullung dakha dei ya ka Kmie ru ka nourish ka nurture ya ki jingdon kam to ki kon ki ye ge te kine ki jinik jinat ke ba ban penlong ikan ka Meghalaya ka state ka badap ki break ka koj bakhia ki break ki basmat ki basting hab ki koj kia ki ba kemen di hak jingmu Pyrkhat dei pan sedang na kan pei na kelong Bathymmai asngau beneru bekumno hakan de kejup menta ki don kilong Kmie Samla ki ba yang mothers ki Kmie Samla ki Kmie kena ki ba entre so ban adut ni ki ko ban ai buin ni ko kiyo kai dia no kiyo jingmu no bakam mi dut ngam don gum dangat terkong ke bet terkong sedep nei yakini ke bro nakan ke mission chia dar sini kan try ni ki try kam ba ko strong ko taru ngin hap sim benta dan pen yang ke Khubor sak Kmie ki pa bakidon kam ban ye ki kon ki nando kita kha dakba ai ka kadut Kmie ba belum badap tu kasbo badap tu kecengklan badap tu vitamin ke kumili asngau mene kadai tiar yada bakong santam benungkong yaki immunity system yaki ko dengan kadai kita ni te chief minister ula benrap ya kan ye ka jing trelang jemi kisi di Rangbah kino ngatawe dai insentif buong yaki Shillong yaki no punya Shillong Ibadon keti marjan bayajan makan ke mission kilo keluar kerja dia kata award dan si hajar si wajar si lak tengka dia kata kalau ban pasial hangi kan pangidu ni idon kebentar ke bakrau banyarap kan pensengau ikin Kmie ipa kini kiloye usan ya kecengdon kam ban pikiri kun ya kecengdon kam ban besai ki kun de ke ke jingban nongkong bu ayu blai lemba ka metu Kmie pa bat hang ta pede ban pendap penbiang bat pede pasan ku ja ki jingbam ki batei ka met pom dikine ki jingbam ki basyat ke beri ki bu sus de hakno ki pak plastik